backbone of any successful sport event. So now I request our honorable guest and respected principal to proceed forward for the parade inspection to acknowledge the disciplined effort of our students.
श्रीमान श्रीमान गाड़ी इंस्पेक्शन के लिए निमंत्रित करता हूँ। श्रीमान श्रीमान पैक के लिए मैं चाहता हूँ।
Following the inspection, now is the time for the march past. As our students march with pride, confidence, and coordination, let us appreciate the discipline and dedication. The main group of Odisha Dance and Chitrakundas was followed by the four houses. We have Brahmani, Ivana followed by them. We have Bhaktavana House and Mahamadi House. We can see the dedication, the spirit, the sportsmanship in the group, the unity and the hard work, the sportsmanship that has shown towards this 2 days. Now, the flag raising high of our school, followed by we have Brahmani group raising the flag high, paying respect to the flag, celebration of the flag, so the dedication and sportsmanship. followed by the next move to Veneration House. The freedom flag rising high up on the sky. Followed by we have Gansatara House, raising the flag up in the sky, doing the dedication and the keeping place. Followed by we have our Mahanati House. We are very privileged to witness such discipline and dedication of our students towards our school and rules and regulations. Thank you for all your hard work and dedication.